Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Lauren from Guthrie and Ganny, and in this video I wanted to share with you a little summary of the special event that we had here in the shop to celebrate selling our 20th thousand Sewing Society kit. If you couldn't make it along to the event, then hopefully this will just give you a little glimpse of all of the festivities that were happening during the day as we launched our latest Sewing Society kit as part of the event, featuring the gorgeous new fabrics that I've designed in collaboration with Rachel Parker. So you'll be able to see all of the fun details from the day and the gorgeous new window display and what our lovely customers were wearing as well, and also hear from me a little bit about the inspiration behind the designs and how the kits came about too. The studio was looking gorgeous. It was so great to see loads of our customers come and check everything out. So the Deer & Doe Mayo Sautees dress was in our bowhouse segment and bowhouse jigsaw print. And I also designed these necklaces in collaboration with mimiquins that go with the segment and the jigsaw designs. And then the closet core Jenna shirt, it comes in two colourways, so the snow white and the ice blue. We had these really fun demo sessions set up that really brought the videos that come with the kits to life, and everybody had so much fun trying out different techniques like cover buttons and using the loop turner.
Hiya, so the Sewing Society kits I'm wearing are the Megan Nielsen Heavier jacket, the Young's Power bag and the Remy Raglan.
Sewing Society kits I'm wearing today are the Josephine dress and the Sosak Patterns Portland tote.
I am wearing the Joy jacket, the Ellsworth shirt, Philippa pants and the Portland tote.
Hi, I'm wearing the pink Chiquitita Jara sweatshirt, one of my absolute faves, and also the ginger jeans.
Hi, the Sewing Society kit I'm wearing today is the All Year shirt, and this is the Making backpack.
Well, I'm wearing three Sewing Society kits, the ginger jeans, the cocoa top and the Sorrento jacket, and I also knitted my cowl.
Huge warm welcome and thank you for coming to G&G this evening, and I'm really touched that you all decided to accept our invitation and be here to celebrate the Sewing Society kits, and a huge milestone for us, so selling our 20,000 Sewing Society kit since we started making them back in 2019. So I know that some of you here tonight are Sewing Society pros, and I love all of your outfits, whether they're kits or not, but some of you might not know as much about what the Sewing Society kits mean to us, so I wanted to give you a little bit of a background summary of how the journey started back in 2019 when we made our first kits. So really it starts with that awesome feeling that you get when you sew something for yourself that you're super proud of and makes you feel really great when you wear it, and there just isn't really anything quite like it, and you just really don't get that feeling when you buy ready to wear clothes. And for me, it's also about that feeling when you might go into the shops or you might have a look online at ready-to-wear clothes and you think, no, I could make that, but I could make it even better. I could make it in better quality fabrics and have a better fit. And it's just a really empowering feeling when you get to enjoy the process of sewing a garment and then wearing it and feeling great. It's just a real sense of achievement. So I've been making the majority of my clothes now for well over a decade, and that awesome feeling of wearing an outfit that I've sewn myself honestly never gets old, and I really want our G&G customers to feel and achieve that too. So the kits were born, and to make it really as easy as possible to sew the clothes that you would love and that would make you feel great. So I wanted to pick my favourite patterns from the indie sewing pattern community and pair it with the best quality fabric that I love, along with all of the notions and the bits and pieces you need to make a lovely garment, and just really help you believe that you could make amazing clothes too, and that if I can do it, then you really can as well. I'm not a trained seamstress or dressmaker or pattern cutter or anything like that. I just really love sewing, and I practice it all the time, and with that you get the reward and feel good factor of handmade clothes. So for all of our kits, we make a variety of samples and we use the fabric that is featured in the kit to really help you visualise what the project is going to look like when it's finished. Because we know that it can be hard to imagine what a certain sewing pattern might look like made up in a certain fabric. So the kits really take away that guesswork for you. The testing also means that I can help guide you in choosing a size and variation, perhaps sometimes without the need for a toile or a test, because it means that I can comment on the fit or if it came up true to size or if any changes or adjustments were needed. So with the help of amazing Becca, we make comprehensive top tips videos as the samples are being made, and that's really to give you the extra support and confidence to work through the project and really stretch your sewing skills. We also often have a G&G touch added to the project in a kit, and that will be something not included in the standard pattern as it comes. And it's a great way to learn new skills and help you feel confident about tweaking patterns to your own preferences and skills that you can use for future projects too. So part of the event this evening is that we wanted to bring the Sewing Society kits to life with little demos that feature a selection of tips and skills that you can learn from our videos. So that's what's out on the table here and on the ironing boards as well. We've just picked some of the types of tips that we share in the videos, and we've got the videos playing in the background as well, just so you can get an idea of what they're like too. So I want to bring it back again to the fabric now, because part of this evening's celebrations is sharing the new fabric designs that I've designed in collaboration with Rachel Parker, who some of you will know is a really incredible, talented fabric designer. And the fabric that goes in the kit is probably the most exciting bit for me. As part of that joyful process of making your own clothes is sourcing and using really lovely quality fabrics, just like the ones you might find in your favourite clothing brands. So as a fabric shop owner, I must see hundreds, if not thousands, of different fabric prints each year from our suppliers. But sometimes it's really hard to find that one print that I'm looking for. And years ago, before I had the shop, I bought a really lovely shirt from a popular high street brand just because of the print that was on the fabric. It was a really quirky design featuring little vintage skiers zooming about as if on ski slopes. And if I could have found a fabric just like it, I would have made that garment myself, but there wasn't anything out there that compared. I really wanted to be able to make that shirt, and I knew I had the sewing skills and a pattern. I just couldn't find the fabric. And whenever I wore the shirt, people would always ask, "Oh, did you make that?" And I wished I really could have said yes. And it's played on my mind ever since, and I've kept my eye out for years looking for something similar to Noadville, and that's really what planted the seed for this new collection of fabrics now. So the Bowhouse Ski Slopes print, which I'm wearing just now, it comes in a snow white and a cool ice blue, and the little colourful skiers that are zooming about all over the snow mounds are a more modern take on the vintage print that I had that was stuck in my mind. We've picked the Closet Core Jenna shirt to pair with the fabric, and after all these years, I've finally got what I dreamed of, a gorgeous shirt in a delicate fabric and with fun, colourful skiers on it, and the best bit is, I made it myself. And now you can too. So to complement this fun print, I wanted to stick with putting a modern twist on something classic and vintage. So the Bowhouse segment and jigsaw prints designs came to life. So they play on the clean lines and distinct shapes of Bowhouse art with bold geometric silhouettes with little intricate details which allow you to make gorgeous statement pieces that play homage to this design aesthetic in a super colourful way. And we've picked the Deirdre Myosotis Stress to pair with this fabric, as its gathered details look really great with the floaty, drapey nature of the fabric. So I won't go on for much longer now. Don't worry, I've not got too many more pages. But the final part of what I wanted to share with you and the Sewing Society kit journey tonight is the amazing G&G team behind them. None of this would be possible without a brilliant, dedicated, hard-working team who see the kits as much of a passion project as I do. From selecting the fabrics months and months ahead of time, researching the best patterns to go with them, sourcing and ordering all the right buttons and notions and interfacings needed for each project, planning the samples, making the samples, trying and testing different sewing techniques, building each box bit by bit, taking photos, videos, sharing the kits in the newsletter online and answering all of your questions, and then getting the boxes shipped out every month as well. It really is no mean feat, and I really can't thank them enough for everything that they do and have done in helping me to indulge in what I love most, which is making my own clothes. So thank you once again for joining us here tonight in the studio. I hope you enjoy having a little look around at everything, try out the sewing techniques at the demo stations. The shop's open down the stairs. You can browse in there too, have a drink and chat with people who you know love sewing and fabric just like you do, and soak up the atmosphere. And the team is here to help answer your questions, and so am I as well. So thank you again, and I really hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. So I hope you enjoyed that little glimpse into our special event, and if you did get one of the kits, then don't forget to share your make with us. We always love seeing what you've made. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you very soon.